Maraming pong salamat sa Chosen Children Village for welcoming us today, to Ma'am Jen, to the management staff, and everyone who dedicated their lives to caring for the children. Saludo po kami sa inyo. What you do here every single day is not easy, but it's deeply meaningful.
Chosen Children Village is very special to me because I am also a parent of children with special needs. Thank you, Michael. Sa Chosen lang may lambing.
Thank you so much, Coach Miranda Miner, for making us part of this wonderful group. We hope to see you again next year, mga ka-Miranda.
So sila po talaga, baby po dumating dito sa amin.
Naniniwala kami na ang diwa ng Pasko hindi lang tungkol sa regalo, kundi dahil din ito sa oras na ibinibigay sa mga bata, especially sa mga batang mas lubos na nangangailangan ng pagmamahal at ng karuga.
I'm so grateful and honored to be here, and this is such an amazing experience.
Later makikita niyo sila mag-perform. Parang physically talaga, oy, normal naman sila. Nabuksan yung mind ko and heart ko to another world na may ganitong value and communities.
Sana ka-Miranda, huwag niyo i-miss yung mga ganitong activity in the future. And next time, sana nandito ka na din.
In trading, we talk a lot about discipline, patience, and consistency. Today, we showed something even more important, malasakit. Our message today is simple, giving where we trade. We come from crypto trading and business, but we also come from the community. Our community means showing up, sharing what we have, and remembering why we started in the first place. The Global Miranda Miner Group, we are donating to sponsor 1 year of 10 kids as part of our malasakit. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Ka-Miranda.
Coach, maraming salamat.